Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to build another cool thing from Cargo Collective Thumbnail Index. We will be recreating the website you see on my screen step by step, and I'll also show you some details which you can change. Now we are on Cargo, and let me show you what I've got here. So first I have a home set which contains a pinned header. Here is the settings. It does nothing else but just this top left corner line, and also I have a completely empty page with some padding set to 1, height set to 100% and also aligned to the button, and also I have a page background set to this color. That's all settings we have here. Another set of pages is going to be our thumbnails, and each page, if you click its settings, contains a thumbnail and also some text. Some page have tags, some page don't have any tags, so it doesn't matter actually. Alright, the next step, let's add thumbnail index to our empty page. Also, if you click the 3 dots, you can change your thumbnails for each page. And then let's click settings and show title, show tags. Next step is to set columns to 4, and let's change them for mobile. Actually, I want to have only one column on mobile, and this is it. Alright, everything is ready, and now let's move to the code pen. You'll find the link below, and let's copy the code. Here's the code pen, and you need to copy only CSS part. Let's scroll down and grab the whole thing from here. And let's go back to Cargo. So there are 2 places where you can paste it. First place is your local CSS. This is a good place if you want the styles to affect only this page, but not the other pages. For example, you have other thumbnail indexes and you don't really want them to be affected. But this method is a little bit risky, so let me show you first. When you paste it here, you see that it immediately looks exactly as the preview, but I noticed that if you start changing your styles here, sometimes it works correctly, so you see that our styles are actually staying there, but sometimes Cargo removes everything below, so everything that you pasted. Be careful with that, and well, if you still want to keep your styles here but you got them accidentally removed, just copy and paste them again. And another place which is I think a little bit safer is your global style. So first let me actually remove it from here, and okay, now let's go to global CSS and HTML, and let's scroll down and paste it somewhere at the bottom. And it's gonna look exactly the same, and I also made some great comments for you so you can understand where it starts. And I think this way is a little bit safer because Cargo is not removing these styles. Only one thing to know, that it's gonna affect all thumbnail index for all pages on your website. Now let's change some styles, but before we start, let me show you how viewport width values works. So you may notice that I'm using viewport widths everywhere and not pixels, not RAM. And if you go to a published version and start resizing your screen, you will see that now that your elements are scaling proportionally. And this is exactly why I'm choosing viewport widths. So this is a dynamic values which depends on your screen widths. And also, if your browser is going to narrow, we're going to hit the mobile version. Yeah, here it is. You can click inspect and find this little icon, click it, and that's how you can see all the other screen sizes, even larger than yours. Probably it's a good thing to check before publishing because your users are going to use different devices with different ratios, and better make sure that it looks great everywhere. So knowing that, let's go back to the styles. I also made some great comments for you so you can find which styles you can change. And the first style is border radius. You can change it however you like. And also, if you want to target only mobile border radius, you need to change it here. So basically, if you want to change any style and do not affect your desktop version, you need to copy the selector and add .mobile at the beginning. So this is exactly what the thing does. And let's scroll down and see what else we can change. So this is our text align. Let's set it to center. And now it looks like that. Also, we have background color here. This is the color of our cards. And the padding, which is the distance between the edge and the text. So let me show you. This is how you can change it. And padding for the mobile devices is a little bit different because, they can be really small, and that's why I used pixels here. but you can change it as well. And the next style is our text size. Well, if you're gonna remove this style, we're gonna have, oh, let me actually put the padding back first. So if you remove this style, we're gonna have exactly the same style which you have set in caption styles, because these titles are nothing else but just captions. But to make it all dynamic, I used viewport width here, and yeah, this is how I override it. This line actually makes your text uppercase, but you can remove that. This is what it does. And for mobile devices, we also have font size 3 viewport, which is like a little bit larger. Yeah, you can change it separately. And we also have opacity set to half transparent for our tags, but you can remove it or change the value. We also have text transform uppercase and font size, which is matching our size of our titles, but once again, you can style it however you like, and the color of our text. Now the website is ready, and let me know in the comments what else you want to learn. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and donate me in Patreon. Goodbye.